These just make me feel like I have money. They're just so freaking cool. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions and review on the new DEZI sunglasses. I have 2 pairs to share with you, and I'm also going to be comparing them to her old key collabs just for sizing reference. I like doing my research before buying sunglasses just so I could get an idea of how they're going to look on me. And obviously with DEZI's, I couldn't do that because it was her first launch, and either way, like obviously it's DEZI, like who doesn't love her? Of course I couldn't miss out on these glasses. I knew they were gonna sell out fast. Like I checked out, they went live at 9, I checked out, everything completed at 9:06, and then after I went back to the website to see and everything was gone. So I think everything just sold out within minutes. Good for her, dude, because that's freaking amazing. Yeah, all her glasses are bomb. So she launched 6 different sunglass styles in like 20 some colorways, which is crazy because when it comes to brands, usually when they launch something is like a few things here and there, but she has a whole damn collection, which I think is so badass. All of them were freaking cool, but I wanted to limit myself, just like take it easy, don't buy so many. Where the hell are you going? You can't go anywhere right now, you know? So I just decided on 2. It was kind of hard. Now I have my eyes on other ones because I'm seeing people post pictures and I'm like, oh my god, when they restock I'm gonna buy them. Hopefully, I don't know, but yeah. So if you don't know who Desi Perkins is, then honestly you're missing out, and I suggest you go look her up because she's so badass. She's a beauty influencer here on YouTube and Instagram, and she's just freaking the bomb, dude. She's so bomb. I've been following her for years, and this year she shared her fertility journey, and honestly, when she revealed she was pregnant, oh my god, dude, I was crying and I was so excited for her. It's just crazy that you don't even know someone and you can be so excited for them, you know, but she freaking deserves everything. Steven deserves everything. They're just such genuine good people, creative as hell. Oh my god, I just love them. And the fact that the whole brand and everything is teamwork, like between her, her mom, her brother, everything, I think that's just so badass. Like nothing is better than that, you know? So I think that's so cool. So when she announced her brand, I knew I had to support her because everything she does, I knew it was going to be creative as hell. So I knew anything that she would come out with would be so freaking cool, and sure enough, it was sunglasses. At first I thought it was going to be skincare or like clothes or something, I don't know, but finding out it was sunglasses did not disappoint because she's designed sunglasses before with Key, and I have 2 pairs of those, which are the ones that I'm going to be comparing here. So yeah. Love DEZI, love her brand. The whole aesthetic is so badass and I'm so happy for her, and I just can't wait to see what other style she has. So enough of the rambling. I know you're here for the review, so let's get started. So I want to quickly go over the packaging. So in the packaging right here it says DEZI, and right here it has her website, DEZI Co. at DEZI Eyewear, her Instagram handle. So this box is nice. It gives it a little personalized touch, and then when you open it, this is where the fun part starts. Bam. This thing right here, her black and white images kind of give the aesthetic of how her Instagram is. If you guys don't follow them, go follow them because their whole aesthetic is like so cool. It's just badass. So it has her pictures in black and white in like the negative space, and then it says DEZI, and then it comes with a little note card. Her wearing on red, and then in the back she has some words for us. DEZI is born. So I bought 2 sunglasses, so obviously they came in the box like this, so you can see both are in here in their hard case. So let me show you the hard case. So it has the DEZI logo engraved in the front, and this feels kind of like a thick, I would say, cardboard material. It doesn't feel heavy, but it is kind of bulky because it's square. And then it opens up. It obviously has the magnetic right here, and then the inside has the DEZI embossed as well. And then the inside is kind of like a Swedish material, and then it has the sunglasses, and it also comes with the pouch. The pouch is kind of like a super soft jersey material, and then it has the engraving as well, the DEZI. So I personally wouldn't keep them in this, like in my purse, because I use a small purse. But to store, I will definitely be using this, even though it is kind of bulky, like takes up a lot of room. But if it's going to protect it, then totally, because these are luxurious, you know, and I don't want to mess them up. Like with the other glasses, the cheapy ones, you're like, whatever. So these are the on red, and they're in the dark toast color. So it has like the tortoise color, and then it has a dark lenses. And she said these, you wear them eyebrows down. So like that. Is it? Wait, can't even see. Okay. The only thing I will say about these is that since they are kind of low, I can see the tortoise with my eyes. I don't know if I'm making sense, but the tortoise, I can see it's like here on eye level, as opposed to if it was up here, but they don't look good like that, you know? So like that. So these do feel kind of heavy. Like I'm not used to these like designer type glasses, you know, that tend to be heavy. Like they're not super heavy, but they feel like more weighted than what I'm used to. They're definitely more heavy than these. These are her key collab Don't At Me. So these do feel heavier, but I think it's because I'm not used to like super designer sunglasses. I don't own any like Prada, Gucci, none of that. Like the most expensive I own is Key. I'm just not a big sunglass girl. You know, I'm used to the cheap shit. But yeah, these are better quality. I feel like they fit nice. It's definitely not something that I have. Like, I love the color, the tortoise color. It is see-through. It's like a see-through tortoise. There's like so many details in here that it's crazy. So her logo is engraved. It's not painted on like usually, like other glasses. Each of her glasses do have a little like peekaboo triangle, which is in her logo as well, which I think is such a cute touch. Like, it's so creative. So this is like a cat shape. It has a dark lens. These also come in like a similar tortoise color, but the lenses are lighter where you could see your eyes, and I don't really like glasses like that. So I knew that I wanted these. These also look badass in black. Like, you can never go wrong with black, but I wanted something different. So yeah, these have the little detail, the gold detail on the side. See, even when you open them and close them, it's kind of hard. With the other cheapy glasses, it'll just like open right away. On the side, she has her logo, DEZI established 2020. It's engraved in there. And then it's handwritten on red, the name right here, which I think is so cool. It's not your typical font. I wonder if it's in her writing. Is it her writing? That'll be so cool if it's her writing. So yeah, these are on red. I freaking love them. They're like unique. Usually cat eye sunglasses don't have a shape like this. They're usually just round. And this is kind of like geometric, which is cool. And they kind of like, they go diagonal through the center and then like geometric around the eye, which is so cool. So these on red, and I wanted to compare them to the Don't At Me so you could see the different shape. This one is more geometric than this one. And the size, Don't At Me is definitely much bigger. This one definitely feels more luxurious. It's thicker. Yeah. These make me feel like a freaking fashion blogger, dude. What do you guys think? This one is sick. These are freaking cool. So these next ones are the ones that I was the most excited for. The 2000s. These are in the rose gradient. Dude, these are straight up early 2000s. Dude, imagine having these when MySpace was around. I personally feel like these might be a little too oversized for my face because I do have a little face, but I think that's the whole look of it, because back in the day these were a hit, but it was like the smaller version, you know. So I think she purposely did them oversized. She was going for that look. Dude, these are freaking sick. So I wanted to get these because I was working on a video that was inspired by the early 2000s, and that video already went up, and I think you guys should check it out because it will totally take you back. I did a MySpace theme, an AIM theme. Who remembers AIM? AOL Instant Messenger. So yeah, check it out. You won't be disappointed. So I wanted these so they could come out in that video because that was my whole theme, but they didn't get here on time. So the only issue that I'm having is with the nose pieces. I don't know if they need to be seen or if they need to be hidden or where the hell the glasses go. Like, I don't know how to adjust them. Maybe once I adjust them, I'll feel more comfortable with them. But right now I can't figure out like the sizing. Is it supposed to be wider? Or, I just don't know. But yeah, these are sick. Dude, take me back. Take me back to MySpace days, man, where everything was so simple. But yeah, these are the 2000s. I think these come in 4 different colorways. Obviously, pink is one of my favorite colors, so I had to go with the rose gradient. I will say that in her video, this looked a little bit more like burgundy pinkish, and I wasn't so sure I was gonna like that, but right here in person, it is, I would say, a true rose gold. I love the color of them. So many details in this one. Like the front of it, there's a rope design in the middle, which is such a cute touch. They're rimless. They have the rose gradient. The tips of the sunglasses right here are like a clear tortoise color as well. You have the name 2000s engraved in the inside. The nose pieces have her name on there. I'm sure you guys saw her reveal video, but she did say that the nose pieces, like, they're engraved in there, but there's like a piece over it, so you won't get the print on your nose, you know, which is a cute touch. So this one has a engraved DEZI up in the corner as well, and then her little peekaboo triangle is right here in the corner. She has a small DEZI established 2020. When it comes to glasses that are this thin, I become scared because I feel like they're more flimsy as opposed to the other ones that are thicker. So these get me nervous because I feel like they'll break. They do feel luxurious though, like hell yeah. These are the 2000s. These are the high keys. Yeah, I would say they're the same length like that. Definitely the width is off because this is an aviator and this is like a rectangle. So it's not even that bad. Maybe I'm just not used to this shape because I'm used to aviators. So it kind of goes like that. I will say the shape of these, the way these sit, I like better, which I wish the 2000s were like that. So these, the nose, boom, they just sit on there. Nothing. Can't see them? Nothing. Now with these 2000s, I'm not sure if it's because I don't know how to fix it or what, but it kind of sticks out more. Maybe that's the design of it. They're meant to stick out more. See in the side how they kind of stick out? I think I'm just not used to this style, but this is freaking legit, dude. This makes me feel like a rock star. I love these. Both of these were such a bomb buy. I'm like so glad I got both of these. After seeing them on other people, I really like the black Charge It. I feel like those just look freaking expensive, dude. Everyone who's been wearing those, like they just look like they have money, dude. It's just, those are freaking badass. So those are definitely next on my list. And I forgot to mention the prices, but these, the on red were $65 and then the 2000s were $85. So not that bad. These just make me feel like I have money. They're just so freaking cool. So those were my thoughts on the glasses themselves. I did want to mention something about their shipping. So earlier I did mention that I bought the stuff 6 minutes after they launched. Thank God, got everything I wanted. Everything went smoothly. Usually when it comes to launches, like, oh my God, it's such high anxiety. You're like there in the computer, it's not reloading, you're just in the waiting room and stuff. Like for her, I think I was in the waiting room maybe for like 2-3 minutes. I paid with PayPal because I knew it was gonna take me like that, like right away. My sister was at her house trying to make a purchase too, and I think she was on there for maybe like 15-20 minutes in line because she was going to pay with card. So when it comes to launches like this, my advice to you is pay with PayPal because you just log in and then you're good to go. So there was definitely no issues when it came to purchasing from her website. It didn't crash or anything like that. And then when it came to the shipping, that's like a little bit of a different story. So I bought these on a Friday, and maybe like 4 or 5 days later I started seeing people post that they had gotten them, and I was kind of like, wait, where's mine? Like I ordered right away. I'm in the LA area too, so you would think they would like ship fast. So I was kind of getting nervous. So then a week went by and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna hit them up because everyone else is getting their sunglasses and I'm not. And my sister hadn't gotten hers either. So I send them an email, and then like 20-30 minutes later I get an automatic message from them talking about that they have like a software issue or something like that was causing like the delays on the shipping and stuff. So I was like, okay. Plus a week wasn't bad. The only main reason why I wanted the sunglasses so fast was because of the video that I was working on, you know? So then after I got that email, I was kind of relieved because I was like, okay, they figured out that there's an issue now, so I don't have anything to worry about. And then I think like the next day or 2 days later, I get a shipping notification. So I was like, thank God there's nothing for me to worry about, you know, at least my order went through. So after I got that email, I got excited and I kept tracking my order. But every time I would track it, it would say that shipping label was created, but tracking was pending, like it wasn't in their system yet. So I was like, oh my God, what the hell is going on, you know? But then my other friend told me that the same thing happened to her, but just to keep checking because it was going to track it once it was out for delivery. And sure enough, when I tracked it again, it was out for delivery. So I got the shipping on a Saturday and it was out for delivery on a Tuesday. So it was a total like a week and a half that I got the things to my house, which is not even bad because that's how other stores are. And then again, you have to realize this was her first launch, so I get it, like this is new to them. So for it being a week and a half and having such a smooth transaction, I wasn't even mad. So I got my glasses. My sister got her glasses. I love them. She loves them. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth the money. I feel like it's my first designer glasses, you know, like DEZI. Who are you wearing? DEZI. So I definitely recommend these glasses. They're affordable. They're less than $100. They're fashionable. They're unique. They feel super luxurious. So definitely a plus. Plus you're supporting a boss. Desi Perkins, you know? Oh my God, I love her. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this review. Maybe you got a little idea of how they'll look on you. Maybe we have the same face shape. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe if you're not already. And if you're new here, my name is Lucero. I do DIY and fashion videos and I'd love for you to join me. Thank you guys once again and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.